36 additional persons have tested positive for COVID-19. This brings the total number of active cases to 534. In its evening clinical update, the Ministry of Health says of the 36 new cases, 33 persons tested positive in Trinidad and 3 persons tested positive. They were from Tobago. This is in addition to the 21 positive cases reported this morning. The ministry says the total number of samples submitted to the Caribbean Public Health Agency, the UWI, and other local sites for testing for COVID-19 to date has been 17,342. The number of samples which have tested positive at public and private facilities in Trinidad and Tobago has been 686. 8 healthcare workers have tested positive for COVID-19 since the beginning of Phase 2 of the pandemic. This from Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram, who says a meeting was held yesterday with the Trinidad and Tobago Registered Nurses Association along with the regional health authorities to discuss the way forward. He is assuring workers that there is no shortage of PPE.
The meeting was called by the PS Ministry of Health on the instruction of the Honorable Minister of Health. There's no shortage. We just want to reiterate there's no shortage of PPE. The meeting was very cordial, and I think we came to some conclusions. We'll have another follow-up non-crisis meeting in short order.
Dr. Parasram also says a number of healthcare professionals are being hired to help with the increasing demand for swabbing and testing at the various health centers.
We have 24 physicians and 48 nurses added to our fleet. Hopefully, the contracts already at the ministry awaiting the signature of the permanent secretary, which will be done today, and persons should assume duty by latest 24th of August and be assigned to the necessary CMOH offices.
Meanwhile, the CMO says the health ministry is expecting an additional 11 ventilators this week to assist with the COVID-19 response. Currently, there are 143 ventilators in Trinidad and Tobago, 70 of which are designated to the parallel healthcare system.